I'm Monica. I'm Kiara's mother. Kiara is 8 years old. We live in Singapore. And we've been doing the chess classes with masterminds for over a year. In fact, more than a year. I don't know if it was since COVID we had started.
Correct.
That's how we started.
Yes. What made you choose masterminds for chess for Kiara?
Okay, so honestly, we wanted a couple of things when we were thinking about the classes for her. One, the convenience of having joined these classes from home,
Right.
because both of us are working parents, so it's not possible for both our kids to be going physically for the classes.
Correct.
Second, it was, as I mentioned earlier, during the COVID times that we had started. So even you guys started on this model during COVID.
Correct.
So a friend referred masterminds to us. We did the
Yes.
trial. We liked it. Kiara liked it, and that's how we.
How was Kiara's experience? I mean, according to you, has been so far with masterminds?
How about Kiara talks about this? How do you like masterminds chess classes?
Good.
What do you like the most?
Um, the way.
The variances that you do, variations you do with them.
Okay.
So I think what we like, we wanted it to be a fun journey for her,
Yes.
which was important because it shouldn't become another task-driven thing for her. So that's
Correct.
one of the key things. It's quite engaging.
Yes.
The kind of formats you work with, puzzles, variations, games, master classes, and then also tournaments. That's really interesting. It's kind of interesting for kids to enjoy.
Have you noticed any changes in Kiara's thinking or problem solving since they have started the class? Yes.
But definitely she thinks about everything in a very logical way, and she tries to problem solve them.
Any positive changes that you have seen in Kiara?
So very good on inquisitiveness and asking questions. So that's pretty good. She
Okay.
also understands what the goal or what the objective of anything is. And
Correct.
example, through chess, it's about capturing or creating a plot that helps to capture the king. That kind of thinking is definitely growing.
Okay. Also, one very prominent thing that is seen or observed in kids is like they don't like to sit in one place. So has
Right.
that improved in any case, like sitting and observing the
Oh,
entire class?
absolutely. I think these online classes, especially with masterminds, have helped her engage. So you guys have a very interactive format, which helps the kids engage better. So
Yes.
that I would say is pretty high. And we were surprised that she's taking well on this format of doing online
Very well.
engagement.
Does she engage in chess at home? I mean, after the classes, maybe in the week or so, does she do that?
We try to play on the weekends, and especially now with her younger brother also, he's 4 years old. So we do try to play physically at least once or twice with
Correct.
them. With their very busy schedule, of course, it's not possible. But I think my aim would be to get them into some kind of competition, also to make it a habit or create a chess group or a chess
Yes.
play date kind of thing. So yeah, I would want to do that.
I mean, do you guys play together as a family chess?
Yeah, we do play, if not chess, many other games also, but often chess as well. And now she's starting to play with her brother as well, who's the younger one. So definitely we do try to.
Great. So is there any memorable moment or achievement that stands out for you in case of Kiara related to chess that she has achieved so
I
far?
think what I really like is her level of participation in the master classes that you do and also in the tournaments. She's very active and very excited about the master classes is a very nice concept. Be in the master classes, you also bring a new concept and then you put them to practice in the regular classes that are happening. So
Right.
more focus on the games would now be because she's really spent a lot of time. It's been more than a year that she's been with you guys. So I think that graduation would really help.
Correct.
I think my hope is that she enjoys, she plays it in a very logical way, and then she's like very excited about it if she's picking this up as a hobby that she wants to. The journey that both parent and the coach take together, I think I'm very happy about that. My hope is really that now the kind of interest she's developing with other activities with master masterminds is something I really want her to be also able to focus on chess.
Correct.
I think it, of course, involves us practicing with her, but you being able to do that with her, that would be very, very nice. So for me, as I said at the beginning, the two key driving factors were I really don't have a system where I can have her go every week, once or twice for an offline class. And second, I also feel that she has many things on her plate. So something that can help her focus on this online, why not do it? I'm sure there are a lot of benefits of doing this offline, and especially the tournaments. So that's something, if we can complement in some way, that would be good. Benefit wise, of course, this is something we wanted. So I think you guys have very good team of coaches, and your approach is something we really like, which is why we've continued for so long. I would really hope that our kids are able to pick up their interest in chess in the way they feel engaging about it, and that's all I have. So thank you for your effort.